In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now hit Google. Select All Services. And scroll again to click on Autofill with Google over here. Finally, after tapping on Google Password Manager, you can click on any of your saved passwords you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!